CG is very forward. I'll plug in everything once I'm satisfied. So I've got a 3S in here, and that is powering the receiver, which temporarily is a FR Sky X8R. And then I got a 4S 5000. There's a Vario in there. There is voltage. And there's my FPV, my ground station camera. So overall, it's actually very portable. And the only connection you have to make once you put the aircraft together is the tail servo. So that's really nice. I'm not running any hardware, anything out to the wings. Everything is centralized into the fuselage. This is not the VTX I will be running long term. That's just on there for now. I don't even think I'm going to record the FPV today. So it is a moot point. Today is just get it in the air. The winds are a little high. I'm not even at my normal spot. It's just too active. I just want to put this thing in the air and then say hooray. Mark the booms as far as how far they go in. I just figured out that by just slowly inching them in little by little, they go in really cleanly. And there, and there. And then quick screwdriver. This is not going to be a winter plane, I can tell you that. That's why a couple of the other airplanes are coming out, are being built up for FPV. I don't know how much FPV I'm actually going to do in the winter either. So the tail is set and measured and marked. All right. There we go. All these guys are set and locked. Cool. All right. And there we go. We now have a SkyPunter assembled. Okay. Hey! The hair is crazy. Woo, got a little weight in my hands and everything. Okay. Hey, it's Andre, and this is the SkyPunter 1.8 meter twin. Gonna go for a maiden flight. I'm not in my normal spot. It's a little active over there. It's a little windy too, I'll be honest, but I figure I want to fly it. I want to try it. I just want to know. So on board, 4S 5000, and the main pack, so the support pack powering the Beck is a 3S 2200. So I'm going to check the CG and verify it one more time, fire it up, and see if this thing goes into the air. Wish me luck. Enjoy the flight. Hopefully we don't get any transmitter noise like last time either. Oh, it's not going to be a long flight. My fingers are already cold. And let's see, page. Let's see what the call-outs are for the radio. Cells. Hey, okay. Okay, that's all we care about. Okay, we'll let that call throughout the flight. It actually will tell me the voltage too, so I don't even need my remote pack. All right, let's start up the action cam. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll do one more CG check. Those are little black dots there. I could probably move the battery back, but there's no harm. It's fine. That's really good, actually. Okay, so the only thing unknown about this aircraft is actually throwing it. It's cumbersome, I will admit. It is a big hunkin' bit of airplane. So, okay. We'll give this bad boy some telemetry. Oh, I'm not liking this wind at all. That makes me nervous. Okay, there we go. We now have 4.16, close enough. Where's the power lead? There's the power lead. Did I put the battery in backwards? Probably going to build an extension. Well, okay, so everything's going to change when the flight controller goes in, obviously. Oh man, my fingers are so cold. So this is definitely a fair weather flying aircraft, because I'm already noticing that my hands aren't happy about trying to connect stuff and fuss with stuff. And all right, whew. right, medium rates, elevator from the back. Ooh, it is really windy. Really windy. This might not be one of my smarter ideas. I'll throw that out right now. This might be a really bad idea. Really bad idea, but we'll see. Hopefully not. It's a $40 plane. So what I don't know yet is how I'm gonna hold this thing. That's the unknown. So obviously with my left hand, I'm supposed to be able to grab onto. I found it better back here, way over my head, and a good healthy toss. Hold. Yeah, those, well, the grips aren't bad. Obviously give it a good bit of power, and we have enough rough room to climb out. Hopefully we don't do too much craziness damage. Oh, killed the prop. Okay, it pitched right over, took out that prop, and we cut into the fuse and everything. All right, switch the prop. That did not work as planned. So, up elevator, probably need to shim the props. You know. All right, we'll switch props and we'll try that again. No inserts, eh? There might be a bit of vibration on these props because I don't see any inserts in the bag, so winds are getting really stupid. I've blown the servo on the FPV. This is fine. Okay. Verify the battery CG once I've got everything connected. Spin that guy over. Again, royal pain to get that guy in. Shoot, the battery tray is come loose. That's not gonna fly. Yeah, the battery tray came loose on that flump. We're done. We're done. I can't fly it like this. Oh, shoot. Well, that won't work. Okay, well, that settles that problem. Well, I guess this is the wrap-up to the attempt at flight with the SkyPunter 1.8 meter twin. A couple of things. I didn't get a chance to do at the field. I was really annoyed with myself. Obviously, as you can see, the battery tray came out. I had used foam tack, which kind of surprised me that it lifted. Maybe I'll get in there with some sandpaper and go. Overall, the carnage isn't too bad. There are a couple spots where the props must have cut into it, and the impact, like I said, it's a $40 airframe, but a couple things I'm going to change. Going to angle the props up, so I'll put shims underneath so the momentum is up, and I got to work on how I hold it. Obviously this is a wrong hand. I guess since I'm right-handed and the remote is in my hand, I'm going to work on that. It was way too windy to be making that a first attempt, but overall, I mean, for what happened, just lost two props. So I'll make sure I get some more 9-inch props on hand, so I always have some backups, and I'll work on how I grab this thing to launch it and lower the power because I goosed it, and that's why it kind of nosed over on me really aggressively. But I'll get in there, sand down that foam on the inside, and drop and re-secure that board. I'm not going to worry about this tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to get out and do some more flying with some more winter-oriented aircraft. But there you go. It is what it is. SkyPunter 1.8 meter twin. It will fly. It will fly before it's totally a bad winter. But it's going to take me some time to figure everything out and get it all set and go from there. I'm Andre. wish me luck. I'll get this thing out. Stay tuned. This thing will get in the air. It's a big goal for me. So thanks for watching. Hey, cat.
You don't do too much craziness. Kill the prop. Okay, he pitched right over. Check out that prop.